Hi everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to put your project together in a final aesthetically pleasing professional presentation PDF, which you can make using Canva. I usually use the poster feature, and you're going to just click create a blank poster. And when I open that up, it's just going to be completely empty. So the first thing you need to do is on the right hand side, there's a bunch of different bars. You can select background. And in here, you can pick any background that you like. A bunch of them are available for free. A lot of them are available only if you have the pro account. So I recommend picking one that's available for free, something that you like, but also something not too complicated that will suit the final project that you're doing. So for example, this is the one that I used in my process board that I just showed to you in that side window. So once you select your design, create next text boxes. And you can pick whichever fonts that you like. There are some sets that you can use. There are also some that you can just, like for example, add a heading and then select the specific font that you only want. In my project, preset one, this one. And then I just typed in here, aperture and shutter, and so on. You can also add in additional text boxes. Like for example, I added one at the bottom that has my name, and it's really great on Canva that there's lines to show you where your text or images are centered on your page. You can also change the sizes of those. You can change the font of those to make it aesthetically the way that you're looking for. So for example, in my design that I previously showed to you guys, as you can see here, now I've done several projects where I've used the exact same one, and that just makes it super consistent. So if you want to create one Canva template that you just repeat and reuse for later projects, that's a really great way to create unity in your work. I've written the date here so you can see the project that I'm working on and also the date that it was due. My name's there at the bottom. And I've got a little table of contents to show where I organize each thing. You don't have to have this part that says week 3 and week 2. And then each individual page, I've got the heading at the top using the same font format and the little stamp at the bottom that says my name and the course that this is for, as well as the specific type of aperture priority or the specific type of shutter priority that I'm using in that picture. Now, if I zoom in to these individual pages, you can see here, this image is just one image inserted on this page. And I made that using Adobe Lightroom. So instead of having multiple photos per page the way that you did for your contact sheet, I actually just set one column and 2 rows that will put 2 pictures on my page. I also put little descriptions of each picture in a caption above, and that's just added using a Canva text box. So if I want to add photos such as these Lightroom images onto my page, then the next step that I would need to do is to import media. And the way that you can do that is click this little button over here, Uploads, select Upload Media, select Device, and that will take me to a place where I can find everything that's located on my desktop and can easily just select what I want to upload. Maybe this is the picture that I want to bring into Canva. Press open, and then you'll see it pop up here. This bar will show as it's loading. If there's anything that I'm done with and I want to delete it, I can just press the check mark, press delete, and it's done. Okay. If there's any other questions about Canva and how to add different features, feel free to ask. So once I'm happy with how my project looks and I'm ready to save it, then I just press this button right here, download, you want to save it as a PDF, so you don't need to change anything there. And then just press this button, download, and it will save it right onto your desktop as one PDF document.